Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the D-Robe Roll-Top Backpack. This backpack promises a lot with its cavernous design and waterproof features, but does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The D-Robe Roll-Top Backpack comes in two sizes, 20L and 35L, both expandable thanks to the roll-top design. It's built tough with waterproof material, making it suitable for various environments from daily commuting to outdoor adventures. Let's start with the positives. This backpack is incredibly spacious. I tested the 35L version, and I could fit in a 16-inch MacBook Pro. An iPad Air 4, chargers, keyboards, a power bank, lunchbox, water bottle, and more, and still had room to spare. It's a great option if you need to carry a lot. Speaking of laptops, the D-Robe features not one, not two, but three laptop compartments. This includes dedicated padded sleeves and a waterproof external pocket, ensuring your devices stay safe and dry. One of its standout features is its waterproof build. The outer material and zippers are designed to keep your gear dry even in heavy rain. During my testing in the rainy season, I encountered no issues with water ingress. In terms of build quality, the D-Robe feels solid and durable. Despite its lower price compared to some competitors, it holds up well. The materials are tough, although they do tend to scuff easily. Now, let's talk about the downsides. The shoulder straps are a major letdown. The design, especially the reinforced section, can dig into your shoulders uncomfortably, especially when the bag is heavily loaded. This was a significant drawback during extended use. Another drawback is the lack of a bottle holder. If you carry a water bottle, you'll have to find an alternative storage method inside the bag, which can be inconvenient. The interior pockets are also quite tight, making organization a bit challenging. So, should you consider buying the D-Robe Roll-Top Backpack? It depends on your needs. If you prioritize capacity and waterproofing, and don't mind the discomfort of the shoulder straps, it could be a good fit. However, if comfort and organizational ease are crucial for you, you might want to explore other options. That wraps up our review of the D-Robe Roll-Top Backpack. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you next time.